Yeah. Good evening to everyone. Last class we discussed surface areas and volumes. So in today's class I'll be covering trigonometry. In the new digital SAT, I see that a lot of emphasis is given to trigonometry. So before we used to get a simple question on trigonometry, but these days I see we are getting around 2 questions. Even they are going up to 3 questions, but bit complicated questions are coming in trigonometry. So in this today's hour, my aim is to complete all the trigonometry concepts that comes in SAT exam. So you need to focus on me and just listen to my class and try to answer the questions that I'm asking. And every Sunday morning, 10 to 11 a.m. Indian time, there are few students from other countries here, so I'm saying this. So morning 10 to 11 a.m. Indian time, we'll have doubt session. That is not any class. What are the doubts you have in the assignments that I'm going to give it to you? You can come to the class and you can ask any doubt from the sheets that we are giving it to you. Me or my colleague will be joining the class and they'll be solving any doubt that you have in the class. From the assignment sheet, whatever the doubt you have, we'll be happy to solve any doubt that you have. But please do complete the assignments that we are sharing, which is most important. If you're not working, it is difficult to get good scores in SAT here because you never ever get the same question in SAT. Never ever. Every time we get a new question. Okay. So with this, I'll not speak anything. I think I'm sharing my screen. Yes, I'm sharing my screen. You should be able to see my screen now. Today we'll do trigonometry. So please do keep adding as trigonometry. Be with me for the entire class. Note down all the important points that I'm teaching and mainly the questions. Okay, I'll give some good questions and even I'll give the questions that have come in the recent SAT exam that was held. So we'll go with the trigonometry. Trigonometry. So we know, right? Tri is 3, gono means angle. So studying about 3 angles. So where do we have 3 angles? In triangle. So trigonometry is all about studying the angles and sides of the triangle. It is all about studying the relationship between angles and sides of the triangle. So generally we write side AB with small c, side BC with small a, side AC with small b. So this is called angle. So angle can be measured in 2 ways. One is degrees and second is radians. The relationship between degrees and radians is pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. This is the first relation you should know. So there are 2 ways to measure degrees and angles. Degrees, one is radians, second is degrees. So there is a relationship between degrees and radians. The relation is pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So you should be very good at conversion from degrees to radians and radians to degrees. And if you just remember this formula, pi radians is equal to 180 degrees, you can solve any question. Suppose if I ask you 270 degrees is how many radians? So we know 180 degrees is pi radians. 270 degrees is how much? Let it be x. Do cross multiplication. 180 into x is equal to 270 into pi. So x is equal to 270 by 180 into pi. 0, 0 katam. 3 times 2 times. So 3 pi by 2 is x. X is 3 pi by 2 radians. So you should be very good at conversion from degrees to radians and radians to degrees, vice versa. You just need to remember this. Suppose if I give you what is 3 pi by 6 radians. So pi radians is 180 degrees. So 3 into 180 by 6, which is 90 degrees. Okay. So everyone in the class, now we are very clear how to convert degrees to radians. Most important question in SAT, there is high likely chance to ask 1020 degrees is how many radians. Okay. Or so many radians is how many degrees. So there is a latest question which is based on radians, where most of them did mistake. Immediately after coming out of the exam, they flogged me. Many students, I think almost 11 to 12 students asked me this question. We know this is a computer based, different students will get different exams. So there are many students who have written the exam. Out of them, 12 have asked me this question. So I'm writing the same question. I asked your previous instructor to also to discuss the same question in the class. Mostly might have discussed. If not, anyway, I'm discussing the question right now. So the question is, so there are 3 points. Point A is 1, 0, and it lies on the circle. Please everyone write this question. This is an actual SAT question which has come in June 2024 SAT Digital SAT examination. There is a point A 1, 0, and it lies on the circle, unit circle. Unit circle means a circle with radius 1 and center 0. So there is a point 1, 0, and it lies on the unit circle, and point B 0, 0 is the center of the circle. Point B 0, 0 is the center of the circle. Point C minus 1, y lies on the circle, lies on the unit circle. Then the measure of angle ABC in radians is, then the measure of angle ABC in radians is, option A is 7 pi by 2, option B is 11 pi by 3, option C is 15 pi, option D is 21 pi by 4. Yeah. So this is an actual question. I just changed the values of options have changed. Even I made minor modifications in the question so that you feel it like a new question. But as it is the same question have come in the exam, if this is a question, so students, even today I'm taking my chemistry class in the morning. So I'm teaching I'm teaching about acids, bases and salts. I'm teaching about pH. pH is power of hydrogen, right? pH minus log base 10 H plus is concentration of H plus is the formula, right? So whenever students write, they don't write formula first. Second is they don't write what is given in the question. A student who knows which formula to apply, what is given in the question, whether it is SAT, ACT or IB or regular math or regular chemistry class, anything you can ace it. So the problem with is first you don't write the formula. Second is you don't write what is the information that is given in the question. So immediately please do write information that is given in the question and read the question and identify what you need to find. SAT questions can be solved in 10 to 15 seconds because you need to solve your 22 questions in 35 minutes. So they can't give any magical questions. Your target is 800. If you're not getting 800 in SAT math, you did not do sufficient practice. That's it. You need to solve thousands of questions. Yeah, please do draw the diagram. Write what all is given and see what you need to find out. If there is any formula related to that, write that formula. If at all there is any formula, and you can type your answer in the chat box. Start. I'm giving you 1 minute to answer this. You can start, you can answer this and give me your answer. Complete all the assignments we are giving and attend the doubt session class. You will be coming closer and closer to 800. This is an actual question in the latest SAT exam. Please do draw the diagram. Write all the information. You'll see miracles. Easily you'll be able to solve it. Good. Excellent. Yeah, already I told you, right? My colleague also might have asked you this. So I changed the value so that you will not by heart it. So Whoever asked, only they can, whoever understood the concept, only they can answer this. Yeah. What he asked, the previous sir, he asked is the exact question with exact options. Okay. I received 2 answers on the board. Very good. I received 3 answers on the board. 3 students gave me 3 different answers. First, I encourage everyone to draw the diagram on the notes. This is an actual question, so you will get similar questions in the exam. Good, good. Excellent. Okay. Most of you, I think I received answers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students gave me answer. So 30% of you gave me the correct answer. Rest of all you gave me the wrong answer. So see how simple is this? Who are not giving me answer? I told you, right? Questions would be in SAT would be dead simple. Only thing is we complicate or we don't do practice. If you don't complicate the things, if you see the thing, you should know what is the meaning of unit circle. Unit circle is a circle with radius 1 is said to be a unit circle. That is what I already told you. If you don't know, please write it down. Now, assuming that you know what is a unit circle means a circle with radius 1. So I have a circle with center of the circle is 0, 0, and this 1, 0 means generally it lies on x-axis, it should be here. So since it is a unit circle, other point should be minus 1, 0. So there is no option for this. So the other point one should be minus 1, 0. There is no alternative for this. Now, the other point should be minus 1, 0. There is no alternative for this. Is asking what is this angle? So this angle is, this is the angle because other coordinate is minus 1, y. It should be minus 1, 0. Okay. Since it is a unit circle, other one should be minus 1, 0 because the radius should be 1. So definitely the y value should be 0. So this is minus 1, 0. So this is A, this is B. I am asking you what is angle ABC. So this is angle ABC. So it can be pi or, see here carefully. What I will do, I can also write this as, I'll come here again, I'll come here. Means pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. It can be pi, it can be 3 pi, or again I'll do one more circle. It can be 5 pi, or it can be 7 pi, it can be 9 pi, it can be 11 pi, 13 pi, 15 pi. It should be odd multiples of pi. So when initially one student asked me, immediately I told her answer is pi. She said option is not there. I said it is not possible. Then she said me the option. So then they're asking you to think bit better. What is the thing that they're asking you to think is? So it should be odd multiple of pi. It should be odd multiple of pi. Pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi, 9 pi, 11 pi, 13 pi. It should be odd multiple of pi, which should be the answer. Got it? Okay? Yeah. Perfect. Next is, yeah, we have many questions. Slowly we'll come back. This is an actual question that I told you, right? Which has been asked in the exam. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. This is pi by 2. This is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. This is 2 pi. And unit circle means a circle with radius 1. A circle with radius 1 is said to be unit circle. So a circle with radius 1 is said to be unit circle. Perfect. Now we'll come back to trigonometry. So in trigonometry, we know these angles, right? A, B, and C. These days, I'm seeing they're giving a lot of questions, combination of triangles and circles, which we'll see. Today also, I'll give you many questions, combination of triangles and circles. First, let us learn the basics of trigonometry. Then we'll see how the questions based on circles and triangles will be coming up in the exam. So when I have a basic, suppose I have a triangle ABC with angle B as 90 degrees. So since it is a right angle triangle, I always advise my students to know Pythagorean triplets, means the sides of the right angle triangle, which are 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 9, 12, 15. If you know one side is 9, other side is 15. So other side will be 12. If one side is 6, other side is 8, then the third side would be 10. So like this, we have other Pythagorean triplets, 5, 12, 13. Always advisable to remember this. They save a lot of time in your SAT exam. Very popular. 7, 24, 25 is one pair. 8, 15, 17 is another pair. 9, 40, 41 is another pair. 11, 60, 61 is another pair. You should remember at least this minimum. So we have Pythagorean triplets. Before starting trigonometry, you should be perfect at this Pythagorean triplets. Whenever I see 7, 24, I should not waste time calculating square root of 7 square plus 24, 49. It is utter waste of 15 seconds of valuable time in exam. Pythagorean triplets up to 11, 60, 61 should be damn sure, should be there in every student mind if your target is 800. Okay? Yeah. Now, we all should know trigonometric ratios, the basic trigonometric ratios. So if this angle is theta, we know sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, AB by AC. We know cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, BC by AC. And we know tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, which is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent, which is AB by BC. You should know these trigonometric ratios. And also advisable to remember, I know you have calculator, but advisable to remember these basic values of 30, 60, 45, 60, and 90 for sine, cos, tan. You all know this, so I'm just fatafat writing this reverse. Cos 90 is 0. So tan 90 is undefined. So this is the minimum trigonometric ratios which you should be there in mind. I should know the three trigonometric ratios, and you should know the Pythagorean triplets. And you should also know so we can also know trigonometric ratios as sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So you should also know these two formulas. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. You should know all these. Whatever we are teaching in the class should be there in your brain before you are going to the exam. Make an formula notes for every topic. So for surface areas and volumes, we thought few formulas which should be there in your brain. And for similarly with the trigonometry, we have been teaching few formulas. So at least 6 to 7 pages of formula sheets should be there before you are going to the exam, and all the formulas should be there in your brain. If your target is 800, you need to be a bit different from other average student. If not, you'll land up somewhere around 650, 700 maximum. Okay? Yeah. So with all this, what you have learned, let me solve few questions here. Let me give you few questions. They're giving multiple questions. Let me give you few questions right now. Think SAT trigonometry questions. Give me answer for this. You can see a question on the whiteboard here. Yeah, you can definitely do it by measuring distance formula, but since I know unit circle, it should be minus 1 comma 0. You can see the first question on the whiteboard, which is related to trigonometry. Please do type your answer in the chat box. Good. One question, you lose 20 to 30 marks. One question mistake, you lose 20 to 30 marks. You need to be very sincere. SAT is easy exam, but accuracy should be 99.99%. That is a major problem. You solve only, out of 44, you solve only 42 questions, you get around 720, 730. Penalty is too much. So please do take every question very seriously. Don't take it light. Good. Perfect. So they're asking what is the value of, they give in terms of B, this is angle B, tan B they're asking. So this is adjacent. This is opposite. So they gave in terms of tan B, if you think there is no A, taking cos will not make any sense. Cos will have hypotenuse. So they have only C and B adjacent. So what is the formula for tan B? Tan B is opposite by adjacent, which is B by C. But they give what is the value of C by B? So 1 by tan B is equal to C by B. So answer is B for Bangalore should be answer, not A for Agra. But I don't understand why people are typing A for Agra as answer. So we know tan is opposite by adjacent. So tan B is B by C. I'm not taking cos B because they did not give anything about A since there is no hypotenuse. So speaking about cos does not make any sense here. So I'll speak about adjacent and opposite, which is tan B, but they gave the value of C by B. So it should be 1 by tan B, which is option B. B for Bangalore should be your answer. Perfect. Yeah. You can see a question here. Question number 2. You can see a question on the whiteboard. Question number 2 is there. Sorry. Oh. Yeah. If anyone is making a mistake in this question, I should beat them left and right here. If anyone makes mistakes in this question, If anyone is making a mistake in this question, we should beat them. Please do type your answer. Everyone should type answer. I'm waiting for your other answers from other students. Just type your answer so that I can discuss. It's very easy. Getting good score in SAT is very easy. Don't never involve in any malpractices. Any malpractices. Even in SAT exam, there is an option to copy. Don't involve anywhere. Don't go it into TOEFL, home-based edition, right? No. You can be caught here, if not here too, when you're going to yes. Never ever involve in any malpractices. Whatever you know, please do that. Getting the right fit university is most important than getting something, manipulating the things which is of no use. You cannot even perform well there. So many problems comes, and even you cannot be happy. So never ever involve in malpractice. Work hard, improve your knowledge. Everything should be good. Okay, very good. Now, we just discussed, if you see this formula sheet, we just discussed sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos y can be written as sine x. Sine x is equal to sine 90 minus y. We know sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine x is same as cos y. So x should be same as 90 minus y. So x should be same as pi by 2 minus y, which is option A. A for Agra should be your answer. I don't understand why people are typing B for Bangalore as your answer. Straightforward question, right? So x is equal to 90 minus y or pi by 2 minus y should be your answer. So yeah, this is a simple one. Give me answer for question number 3. Type your answer in the chat box. Everyone should type. What is the value of sine 30 minus cos 60? What is the value of sine 90 minus cos 30? Whatever it is, sine 30 minus cos 60. So sine 30 is sine 30. We know cos 60 is also sine 90 minus theta, which is sine 30. So both are same. So answer should be 0, a big 0. So which is option A. So A for Agra should be answer. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Yeah. Everyone has given me the answer, and most of you have given me answer. Everyone has given me answer as A for Agra. Now slowly the difficulty level is increasing here. Slowly. So just make sure that, yeah, what is the value of sine A? Fast. I'll make it, I'll decrease the font so that you can see enter. Yes. So what is the value of sine A in the given question? Attack. I see similar questions, more and more of similar questions are coming in the exam perspective. So if this is the question, what should be the answer? What is the value of sine A? Good. Excellent. Okay. So you are required to know 2, 3 more simple concepts. We'll discuss those concepts also. And I'm sharing one more sheet with you. Yeah. Okay. Good to see. Many students have given me answer. Let me see their answers. Someone got unmuted. Make sure that you mute yourself here. Yeah. So, okay. B, D, B, B. A figure will be never drawn to scale. So how can you say figure is different here? So they meant to say AB is equal to BC, not AB is equal to AC here. So they meant to say AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. They meant to say here AB is equal to BC. What is the value of sine A? I'm sharing another sheet. You'll get questions from that sheet also. I see that similar questions coming in the exam. Many times the similar questions have come up. Okay. Yeah. So you, as I said, you need to know few more concepts. So the few concepts that you are required to know is mainly about similarity and about isosceles triangle. So I can say two triangles are similar if they have same shape but not same size. So, or if at least two angles of one, this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. For example, if this is A, B, C and this is P, Q, R, I can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle A is same as P, B is same as R, C should be same as Q, P, R, Q. So what happens if two triangles are similar is angles will be same. Angle A will be same as angle P, angle B is same as angle R, angle C is same as angle Q. So if two triangles are similar, the respective corresponding angles would be same. Sides are proportional. Proportional means if this is 10, if this is 20, if this is 15, AC, right? PQ. AB is PR. Yeah, this will be 20 and AC, right? AC side is PQ, so it should be 30. So sides are proportional, but angles would be same. Okay, leave all this. So if two triangles are similar, you need to be careful with which triangles are similar. You cannot say triangle ABC, I'll write PQ or no. Angle A is same as P, angle B is same as R. So ABC should be similar to triangle PRQ. If two triangles are similar, angles are exactly the same. Corresponding angles are exactly same. A is same as P, B is same as R, C is same as Q. So in diagram, what they say generally, what they're saying in exam is, so these are frequently asked models in new digital set of SAT. Every time you're getting a question. So they say triangle ABC is similar to triangle RPQ something. Then they ask you what is the value of tan Q. Tan Q will be same as tan C. Tan C is opposite by adjacent. So AB by BC. AB corresponds to RP. So you can also write this as RP. BC corresponds to PQ. So PQ. So RP by PQ. AB by BC or RP by PQ. Both are same. So if two triangles are similar, just the thing that I want you to highlight from that last 5-10 minutes is the corresponding A is same as R. If they ask tan A, it is same as tan R. If they ask tan R, it is same as tan A. They'll give only one triangle. So don't worry. So don't worry whether you know something or you don't know something. In the sense, they give only about one triangle, they don't give about any other triangle. If they ask tan P, you should not worry. Tan P is same as tan B. Tan Q is same as tan C. Okay? Yeah. So when two triangles are similar, the angles are exactly equal. That's it. If you know that point, we can solve any question that comes as part of exam. Now, if you see the question that is given here, and one more thing that you need to know, if at all I have an isosceles triangle, suppose assume that I have an isosceles triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. If AB is equal to AC, if you draw a perpendicular, so since sides opposite to equal angles are equal. This angle and this angle are same. Since this is 90, this is 90. So this angle is same, and this angle is same. So triangle ABD and triangle ADC are similar. So what I meant to say is the extra input that you should know is in an isosceles triangle, if you draw a perpendicular, we get two similar triangles. In an isosceles triangle, if we draw a perpendicular, we get two similar triangles. Okay? Yeah. Now try to attack the question that was shown to you. Where it is? Yeah. So we know that AB is equal to BC. It was given as AB is equal to BC. They're asking what is the value of sin A. So immediately I'll draw a perpendicular. If I draw a perpendicular, this becomes 7, this becomes 7. 7, 25. So this becomes 24. So they're asking sin A. Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. 24 by 25. 24 by 25 is 0.96. So answer should be D for Delhi, should be your answer. In new digital SAT, they're asking similarity with trigonometry, combination of both models they're asking in digital SAT of SAT. Math, you should get Pakka 800, no alternative we have here, and it is easy to get. When you know all the concepts that are there in my mind, you should know the concepts and solve multiple questions. Okay, now, so answer for this is 0.96. What is the question? In the right triangle ABC, which of the following gives the length of AB in terms of theta? Okay, so how do you find length of AB is the question, direct question. Everyone should type your answer in the chat box. He's asking which of the following is the length of AB. I told you, right? One question you make mistake, God will not spare you. By knowing you are making mistake, you are losing 20 to 30 marks. Penalty will be too high. It is not like your other exams, because SAT exam is easy. Your accuracy should be 99.99%. So don't take light it and be serious. I'm not threatening you. I'm asking you to be serious. Yeah. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, just mention answer as A or B or C. No need to type again. Tan theta, cos theta, 1 by sin theta, something. You are not required to type the answer. So I need to find adjacent. I know hypotenuse, so immediately cos theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So AB is cos theta. So answer is B for Bangalore. If anyone is giving wrong answer for this, no error. We should not accepted. Yeah. So I told you, right? Triangle with circles. So these are the questions that comes under triangles, combinations with circles. So these are other models which I'm seeing frequently in the digital SAT. I'm seeing triangles with circles. I'm seeing triangles with similarities. So these are the models which are frequently being asked in the exam. So please do solve this question and tell me your answer. Good. Okay. So people are typing, people are not typing. See, if I'm the how to approach this question, always draw a triangle, draw a perpendicular triangle. Yeah, draw a perpendicular triangle. Please do remember always, this is your n y-axis, this is your m. You need to move m units, then you need to move up n units. Now they're asking what is n in terms of theta. I need n. I know opposite and I know hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse is sine theta. Sine theta is equal to n by 5. So n is equal to 5 sine theta, which is option A. A for Agra should be your answer. I hope most of you gave me your answer. If you did not give me answer, please see how simple is this. All the questions would be of this level. All the questions. But problem with us is we'll think that there is something else. Nothing would be there. Nothing would be there in SAT questions, at least in SAT. Okay. Yeah. So now, yeah, I have one more sheet, a very good sheet. If we do this, I have some 20 more questions which we can do. Yeah, I have two more questions here, right? Both the questions are good questions, which frequently are coming in the exam pattern. So in this figure, what is the value of tan A? In this figure, what is the value of tan A? So this is your A. I'm just helping you. This is minus 5, 7. So this should be 12. This is 4 and minus 3. So this should be 7. So 7 and 12. Okay, nothing to do. So tan A, now we can do in seconds. Everyone should do it here. Everyone should do these questions. And I'm telling you, right, you should do 99.99% questions correct, and you can do with focus, dedication, and ambition. You should have that ambition. I should get 800. Even in dreams, you should dream of I should get 800, then only you'll get it. Many students will come me, they say that I want to get admission in MIT Stanford. Okay, it's okay. They think, but no harm in saying. But practice, when it comes to practice, they don't even work for the inputs of tier 10 college. So that is wrong. If your ambition is tier 1 plus, your hard work should be tier 1 plus 1 plus plus. Yeah, okay. So I just discussed with you tan A is opposite by adjacent. So which is 7 by 12 should be your perfect answer, which is option A for Agra should be your answer. Okay. Last question in this sheet. Then I have 20 more very good questions are there. We'll do them. There are also trigonometry questions. If you can solve all those 20 questions too, you'll become perfect. You can solve any question as part of the exam point of view is considered. So please solve question number 8. Please do type your answer for question number 8 in the chat box. Please do type answer for question number 8 in the chat box. Whoever is yet to register for August 24th exam, please do make sure that you register it as soon as possible. So sine 24 degrees is equal to cos of 3k plus 6 degrees. Then the value of k is, if k lies between 0 to 90. If k lies between 0 to 90, what is the value of k? Some students are typing continuously wrong answers here. Math getting wrong is no. In English, you can think, okay, oh, I thought this rule, that rule. To some extent, even that is not accepted. To some extent, it might work. So let me change this into cos. So cos of 90 minus 24, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, which is cos of 3k plus 6. So 90 minus 24 is 66. Huh? Yeah, 66 is equal to 3k plus 6. 60 is equal to 3k. So k is equal to 20. What is the value of k? K should be 20 degrees. So the value of k is 20 degrees. So simple question, straightforward question. Okay, yeah. Now I shall open few more questions. Here is this. Yes. Okay. So these are all you can get similar questions. 10 plus 10, 20 are there. If you can solve these 20, mostly similar questions are coming in the exam perspective. So we'll start doing a few questions. Please tell me answer for this question. Seventh question. I'll share this question. This is the most important sheet. Wherever Chinese is there, I'm telling you, right? Those are the most important here. Those are relevant and most important. Okay, good. Perfect. This is an actual SAT question. I don't know which year it is. In old pen and paper based SAT, we have a similar question. All these are very good questions. All these 20 questions. So they gave sin y is equal to 0.8. Sin y is equal to 0.8. We know x plus y plus 90 is equal to 180. So take 90, x plus y is 90. So y is 90 minus x. So this is sin 90 minus x is 0.8. So sin 90 minus x is cos x. So what is the value of cosine of x? Cosine of x is 0.8. So answer for this question should be 0.8. Let me see how many of you have given me answer as 0.8. Okay. Yeah. 0.8, 0.8. Someone gave me 5.8, 0.8, 0.8, 5. What is cosine? Cosine is cos. Cos and cosine both are same. 0.8, 0.8. Okay. So most of you gave me answer as 0.8. Few students gave me answer as 5. Who gave me answer as 5? You just need to recheck why you gave answer as 5. Okay. Yeah. Please see fifth question. Please see fifth question. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle C is 90 degrees. So they're telling angle C is 90 degrees. And AB is 26. This is, let this be A and let this be B. AB is 26. Sin B is opposite by hypotenuse. So 5 by 13 can be written as 10 by 26. So this is 10, this is 26. So we should be know 10, 24, 26. What is the value of length of BC? So length of BC is 24. So 24 should be your answer. Let me see how many of you had given me answer as 24. Okay, you can also write 24 by 5. Yeah, 0.8 or 4 by 5, both are correct. Yeah, when you're taking mock test, they clearly give how to fill plugging ins. So please do follow plugging ins. Only if you have answer as 1 by 3, 1 by 3, if you write 0.3, wrong. You need to write 0.333. You need to fill all the decimal places. Then only it is correct. You should not terminate whenever you have decimal. Other than that, everything else is correct. Okay. 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 We'll solve some 2-3 more questions. Don't worry by seeing all this. Nothing would be there in this. Tan inverse means nothing. Please remember, they don't ask tan inverse. So if I say tan inverse of x by y is equal to some m, when tan inverse comes this side, it becomes tan m. Tan m is equal to x by y. So tan inverse of x by y is m. So tan m is equal to x by y. So only this sine inverse, tan inverse, you can keep aside. You'll not have it. But yeah. So this first and third is easy. Don't do tan inverse. Other than that, everything you should be able to do. This you can do. This you can do. This you can do. No, inverse don't do. Inverse questions don't do. Okay. Just tell me answer for eighth one. Inverse questions, just bring them to other side. N is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root, right? So bring cos this side. So cos n is 1 by root 2. Then you solve whatever the answer they are asking for, you'll be able to get it. Wherever you have inverse, inverse is not there in the exam. So, but they can ask cos n is 1 by root 2. What is the value of n? We know n is 45 degrees or pi by 4 radians. So, yeah. Now, please give me answer for eighth question. This is also an actual SAT question which have come in the exam. Exact question has come in the exam. Okay, good. So if I see this, so sin x is cos y. So we know sin x cos y can be written as sin 90 minus y. So we know x is equal to 90 minus y, but x is 3z plus 5, or x plus y is 90. 3z plus 5 plus 2z minus 10 is 90. 5z minus 5 is 90. 5z is 95. Z is equal to 95 by 5, which is 19. So answer should be C for Chennai should be answer. We have an exact question that has high likely. Similar question has come in the exam previous pattern. So high likely chance same question can come in the exam. So people are typing 24. 24 where 24 here. 19 should be answer. Please see my steps. Please see the steps that I have written there. So it should be 19. Sin x is equal to sin of 90 minus y. So blindly I can write x is equal to 90 minus y. So x plus y is equal to 90. So bring one side or add all the values. So 5z minus 5 is 90. 5z is 95. So z is equal to 19 should be answer. Okay. Yeah. So we'll do one more question. Last question for the day in this. Then we can solve all the remaining questions. Please see this one. Sin of 90 minus x is equal to which of the following must be true for all values of x? Simple question. Sin of 90 minus x is equal to which of the following must be true for all values of x? Okay. So we know sine 90 minus x is same as cos x. Yeah, we know sine 90 minus x is same as cos x. So cos x should be equal to n, which should be option A. So A for Agra should be answer. A should be answer. Very good. Whoever, everyone has given A except 1 or 2 students. So I'll send this sheet and I'll send you one more sheet. Please do complete all this. And we'll have class on Sunday morning at 10 o'clock with doubts, review doubts session. Okay. Yeah. Please do attend that session, complete the work and come to the class. Take care. Bye.